the bridge of events. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to share why you don't need to take action when manifesting, because the bridge of events takes care of this for you. So let's get started. The bridge of events. Now, what is the bridge of events? The bridge of events is a series of stepping stones that is guiding you from where you are to your manifestation, that has been orchestrated by your higher self, source, God, or the universe. So what this means is that once you become a vibrational match to your desires, once you become the person that already has the lover, the money, or the health, the car, or whatever it is that you desire, you will activate something called the bridge of events. To simplify this, the bridge of events is the how your manifestation will happen. And the how is something that your higher self, source, God, the universe, works out. So the how is not the job of your human mind. It never was the job of your human mind. The job of the human mind is to decide what it wants and then to become the person that already has your manifestation, although there is no evidence of it yet in your 3D reality. So you embody the consciousness of having your manifestation. Once you accomplish this, once executed properly, and you truly become the person that already has your manifestation, you will activate the bridge of events. So your higher self knows the how. It has orchestrated cooperative components on your behalf to guide you from where you are to your manifestation. And your higher self is the only one that knows how your manifestation will occur, is the only one that is privy of this. Whereas your human mind, your human analytical mind, has no idea how your manifestation is going to occur. But once you become the person that already has your manifestation, it will come to you through the bridge of events. And this next part is the most important part. It will come to you through the unknown. So it will not be through a way that your human mind thinks it needs to happen or it should happen, which is based on past experience or which is based on past data. It will happen through the unknown. Your higher self, God, source, universe will surprise and delight you. When you are truly on the bridge of events, you have no idea that you're on the bridge of events. You will not know when you're on the bridge of events. Let's take an example here. Let's say, for example, that you desire to manifest your dream relationship. And you do the vibrational work, you change your energy so you become the person that already has your dream relationship, although there is no evidence of it yet in your 3D reality. When you truly become the person that already has your desire, you will activate the bridge of events. And an example of how this could unfold is that maybe at 6 p.m. and you feel inspired to go get a coffee from Starbucks, which is maybe unusual for you because you don't really drink coffee in the evening. Nonetheless, you feel inspired for a latte, so you drive down to Starbucks and you get in the line or the queue, and when you're in the queue, you meet the love of your life. This is one example of how the bridge of events could unfold. And in this scenario that I just demonstrated, the point is, you never knew that by going to Starbucks you would meet the love of your life. It's something that happened by surprise. It happened through the unknown. And this is what the bridge of events is about. It will happen through the unknown. You won't know that you're on the bridge of events, but your higher self, source, God, the universe is guiding you to your manifestation. You will literally bump into it. And this can apply to anything. So let's say maybe that you want to manifest your dream job. It's exactly the same thing. You become the person that already has your dream job, vibrationally, emotionally, so you change your energy, you activate the bridge of events, and maybe in this scenario, one day you're meeting up with an old friend that you haven't seen in years, and perhaps when you meet up with this friend, they offer you a job because they've just started a new company and this happens to be your dream job. Like, this is an example of how it can happen. Like, you have no idea, but what you do know is that once you become the person that already has your manifestation, whatever that is, it will come to you through the unknown. Let's say you want to manifest more money and you become the person that already has X amount in your bank account. You could receive a check through the mail because maybe some insurance company is reimbursing you for some insurance from like 5 years ago. This is how it unfolds. You will not know you're on the bridge of events, but the bridge of events will unfold in such a way in the 3D that it will bring you your manifestation. Now let's talk a little bit about how to activate the bridge of events, how to actually be on the bridge of events. This is all about becoming the person that already has your manifestation. When you truly do the vibrational work and you change your energy and you emotionally become the person that already has whatever it is that you desire, whether that's better health, your ideal body, your dream job, perhaps you desire passing your exams. When you become that in consciousness first, before there is any proof of it in your reality, you will activate the bridge of events. And through the unknown, your higher self will guide you to your manifestation. An example of how this happened for me is, one example is healing an incurable disease. So I got into meditation where I became the person who was healed because I got into the energy of wholeness. And then after 5 days of doing this meditation consecutively, my incurable disease completely dissolved. Like, I manifested wellness. I had healed from that without taking any medication, without taking anything from the 3D. I'd completely dissolved that disease. So in the same way, if you're thinking, well, how can this apply to maybe if I'm going to pass my exams? When you alter your state of consciousness and you become the person that has successfully passed their exams, things will unfold in such a magical way. Like, for example, you might be much sharper, much clearer. You might get downloads about what specifically to revise, like maybe only to revise 2 or 3 pages from your textbook, and that happens to be what comes up in your exam. This is an example of how it can unfold. Like, you have no idea, but you understand that once you become the person that already has your manifestation, you don't need to take action in the 3D. That is not your job. Your job is to become the person that already has it. And in fact, when you become the person that already has your desire, when you truly become the person that has your desire, you will never feel the urge to take action in the 3D towards your manifestation, because as far as you're concerned, it's already happened. In your consciousness, you've already had an internal experience inside of you that says, I have my manifestation, although there is no proof of it yet in your 3D reality. So when you get to this level of consciousness, you will never be searching or looking for your manifestation. You'll never be trying to make it happen. Why would you, when you feel like you already have it? And this is when you activate the bridge of events. This is when your manifestation will come to you without you lifting a finger in your 3D reality. It will come to you through the unknown. It will not be through the known. People sometimes ask me, but Priya, what about taking inspired action towards my desire? Yes, you can absolutely manifest what you want by taking inspired action towards your desire, but that's a completely different process. That's about taking action through the known. This is about how to manifest without taking zero action. And in order to do that, it's about becoming the person that already has your manifestation in consciousness, where you feel it is done. And when you truly feel it is done, it won't even be a desire anymore, because you feel as if you already have it. So why would you desire something that you feel you already have? And when you get to this point of consciousness, and it's a very specific point of consciousness, you will activate the bridge of events, where your manifestation will come to you without you lifting a single finger. It will come to you through the unknown. You won't even be thinking about your desire or your manifestation, because you've already become the person that already has it. So it won't be something that's even on your mind. And then through the unknown, you will be guided through the bridge of events to your manifestation. You will literally bump into it. You'll get that phone call, or you'll bump into the right person, and it will happen naturally and organically and easily. So there will be no angst, there'll be no fear, there'll be no anxiety, because you've already become the person that has your manifestation. So when the bridge of events unfolds, you won't be thinking about your manifestation. You'll be too busy getting on with life, having fun, feeling good. And then through the unknown, you will be guided to your manifestation. But you will not know that you are on the bridge of events. So the bridge of events is a powerful thing. This is the key to manifesting what you want without taking action. It's about first becoming the person that already has your manifestation in your consciousness. This is the key. Without this, you cannot manifest without taking action. If you don't become the person that already has it in consciousness, then you're going to have to take action to manifest what you want. You're going to have to play by the rules of three-dimensional reality, which takes time, right? Which means that you're going to have to move from point A to B, which can feel hard, which can feel stressful. You're going to have to play by that rule if you don't become the person that already has your manifestation in consciousness. It's going to be hard, and it's going to take time. Whereas when you become the person that already has your manifestation in consciousness and you activate the bridge of events, it's instant. It is instant, and it will come to you expeditiously through the unknown, through ease and flow. It will come to you through a really enjoyable, delightful manner. This is how you manifest whatever you want through the bridge of events. So the bridge of events, to summarize, is the how your manifestation will unfold. And the bridge of events is something that is orchestrated by your higher self, source, God, the universe, whatever you want to call it. The bridge of events is not something that is your job. It's something that's taken care of by your higher self. It is the how your manifestation will unfold, which is why it is not your job to work out the how. It is not your job to figure out the how or to try and make it happen. This has already been worked out via the bridge of events. Your only job is to become the person that already has your manifestation in your consciousness through changing your energetic state, through changing your energy. Once you do this, you will activate the bridge of events, and you will be led effortlessly through the unknown to your manifestation. It will come to you. You will not have to search for it, look for it. You won't even be thinking about your manifestation. It will just come to you through the unknown in a very delightful, expeditious manner. Now, maybe you're wondering, okay, Priya, but can I actually deactivate the bridge of events? Is there a chance that I can be on the bridge of events and then I could be maybe off the bridge of events? Well, I'm going to answer that in just a second. But first, if you would like a step-by-step process that shows you how to change your energy so that you can activate the bridge of events to manifest anything you desire, then you can get your hands on my manifestation courses by clicking the link below in the description box. So let's get back to, can you actually deviate from being on the bridge of events once you activate it? Well, to answer this question, I have made another video for you called The Bridge of Events. Do not react to the middle. And you can watch that right now by clicking the box above. Finally, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.